Good morning, welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So the question is given, if x to the power of 5 equal to 1, then find 1 x by 1 plus x square plus x square by 1 plus x power 4, x cube by 1 plus x power 6, x power 4 by 1 by x to the power of 1 plus x power 8 value. So those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded. So if you subscribe the video, show that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very important. So minimum like the video. If you liked it, you can share to your friends. So what you have to find value here, x power 5 is equal to 1 is given. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you get this answer in the simplest way? So otherwise you can continue the video. X by 1 plus x square plus x square by 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus x cube by 1 plus x power 6 plus x to the power of 4 by 1 plus x to the power of 8. You have to find the value of this. So I am making into two pairs. This is one pair and this is another pair. Both the pairs I will add and I will get the answer. So this is the logical problem. That's why this is in selected the problem. So first of all, I am multiplying x plus 1 plus x square plus x power 4 by 1 plus x to the power of 8. So the first one you will write as same x by 1 plus x square. The second one what you will do, you will multiply with x in the numerator and denominator. Multiply with x in numerator and denominator. So here what will you get? X to the power of 5 will get in the numerator. X to the power of 5 is given 1 now. So you can write x by 1 plus x square plus 1 by x into 1 plus x cube. So here x power 8 is given. X power 8 can be written as x power 5 into x cube. So x power 5 value is 1. So you can write it as x to the power of 3. So that is the logic here we are having. So logical problem. So here you have to take LCM. So here what will get LCM? X into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x cube with the denominator. Numerator will get x square plus x to the power of 5 plus 1 plus x square. So here also you are getting x power 5 value 1 now. So the numerator will become 2 into 1 plus x square divided by x into 1 plus x square 1 plus x cube. So these two get cancelled. You are getting 2 by x into 1 plus x cube. This is the first value. Now you are finding the second one. Second one, what is here? X square by 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus x cube by 1 plus x to the power of 6. So this can also can written as 2 by x plus x to the power of 4. So here multiplying the first one with x and dividing with x. Multiplying and dividing with x. So it will become here x cube by x plus x to the power of 5 plus x cube plus 1 plus x to the power of 5 into x power 1. So it will become now x cube by x plus 1 plus x cube by 1 plus x. Both the denominators are same. You can write it as 2x cube by 1 plus x. So this is the second value, adding 1 and 2, so that we can get the required solution of adding 1 and 2. What is first one? 2 by x plus x power 4. 2 by x plus x power 4. X plus x to the power of 4. Plus second one is 2x cube by 1 plus x. So here you can take 2 common. So 2 common, 1 by x plus x to the power of 4 plus x cube by 1 plus x. So here if you take the LCM, 2 bracket, LCM what will get? X plus x to the power of 4 into 1 plus x. Here 1 plus x cube into x plus x to the power of 4. So what will get in the numerator? Numerator will get 2 into 1 plus x to the power of 4, x to the power of 7 you can write as x square. So denominator what will get? X plus x square plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 5 will get, that you can write as 1. Okay, now both the numerator and denominator is equal, you can cancel. Therefore the value is 2. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends.